And here we are. Turn it, pussy.
Jesus Christ.
Why don't you get a ratchet?
Somebody get this man an impact.
For real. Yikes. This is gonna take all day.
Hold it, pussy.
I can't.
What a bitch.
Let me read that.
Why don't we get him an impact and you? Well,
We need the
impact
Dr.
won't reach.
Pepper. Or Dirty Pepper. Alright.
Yeah, well,
I'll take one.
right up here.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah, give me that. Anthony!
Yeah, you got licking in your face 3 times more.
Yeah, how are you gonna raise the front of the car up?
Huh?
How are you gonna raise the front of the car up?
What do you mean? It's got coilovers on it already.
Oh, it does?
dumbass.
I don't know. Piece of shit ass car is dragging the ground. I'm sick of you. Here,
Okay,
where's the impact?
Oh my god.
Here.
Somebody
Jesus.
take this.
Right here. You got one of them,
And things that you pry with.
You want a fry bar thing? Yeah, yeah.
Any day over there. Ass hat.
Pass out.
Oh, yeah. Get the. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yo, you almost twisted your dick off.
Caught his nutsack in it.
In fact, you're just like a nut.
We still gonna hold this thing?
No. Let it rip. Pussy. Whoa!
Is the arrow?
No. But it drove it in.
It did?
Yeah.
Yeah, the air would have had to been on. It wouldn't have kept going.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, good, great, grand. Next. Yo, did it hook up those threads or no? You okay with them?
Well, I don't know. I guess we'll see
Not my
eventually.
thread, not my problem. That's what I say.
For real.
I think it just cleaned off the anodizing. That's good. What you doing?
This guy knows what he's doing.
I would assume not. Running on there with impact. I'm just
Alright.
kidding. Don't do that.
Any of y'all watching at home?
For real. I wouldn't recommend doing any of this either.
For real. But hey, we gotta
Get it.
do what we gotta do.
My index finger just. Oh, that's hot. Just
That
kidding.
thing's not happy until we bring the threads all the way to the top of that son of a bitch.
For real.
Don't be a puss, drive it on with the impact.
No.
If you're good, you're good.
If you ain't first, you're last. Ah.
If we had a Milwaukee, we'd be done in half the time.
Don't hate on the jet.
For real. I'm talking shit on borrowed impacts.
I thought those were with a kit, no?
No.
Oh.
What size is your socket?
The right size?
Which size?
27.
I get you a 1/2 inch so you don't have to run an adapter.
Well, that's not the same. I'm already done with this part of it.
Are you not going to do the other side?
No, right this second. I'll get this side on and then do the other side.
Oh, we're gonna do one side and another.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Like, you want me to just set it down right here?
Yeah,
and
do it.
jack the other
That's
side
what
up?
you should have jacked it up in the center of the car. That's what normal people do. I'm just saying.
Look here.
I'm just saying.
Look here.
You could put it at the same angle in the front of the car.
No, not with those fucking things.
Well, put it underneath the RV over there.
Just jack it up by the intercooler.
Yeah, that's what I'd have done. Y'all mounted it pretty rigidly.
Yo, nothing on the front of this vehicle is rigid.
Are we putting some wheels on or what? Some
No.
rims? Put that rim on there.
Yo, I will stick you in front of all of your fans.
I have 5 fans. It's okay.
I'll stick you in front of all 5 of them.
Are we just checking bolt pattern? Or?
Yeah, no, we're not doing any of that. We're not gonna have brakes. He
No,
can't
we
brake
can do
boost
that later.
anything. Oh God,
What the hell?
it's a good thing I can't see. I'm blind.
You want to borrow my glasses?
Well, that's unfortunate.
Yo, that's what's up. These motherfuckers ain't straight, huh?
Are they straight?
No.
Are they bigger? How are they not straight?
Because,
Is it not pulled all the way in?
yeah, see, they'll fit through it.
So.
They must not be pulled all the way in.
Let me look. Hold this.
Yeah, see, this one's crooked.
Goddamn, what you pull them in there crooked for?
Oh my God. Hold on. For everybody at home, look at that one.
This is what I tried.
You need that 1/2 inch impact.
It is a 1/2 inch impact.
Oh, I thought you said.
He's running an adapter. What
Oh,
size is it?
okay.
13/16? Hold on. Let me get him.
I got you. Oh, toolbox over there. Hurry up, goddamn. Roll it over here. Yikes.
Yikes. Oh, that bitch fit all the way through them? No. Let's keep playing this fucking game.
How long does it take you to change some
How
fucking
long are we
studs,
doing
dude? Yo, that
No.
bottom one is out like crazy.
This one?
Yeah.
I think all of them are.
Why are they like that?
Because this is a really fucking dumb way to do this.
Alright, I've had enough of your shit.
I think it's the operator.
I think everyone's gonna make fun of you chewing with your mouth wide open.
They can't see it. Yeah.
I'd say that's good.
Did I straighten it up?
Couldn't tell you.
Both the threads.
Maybe. Yeah.
Yikes. I guess we can use press.
I'm just saying. There's still a lot of cars that go fast with the 4-lug front. I don't think
Hold on,
one
let
less
me
is
look
gonna
at
hurt
this.
anybody.
Let me look at the bags.
Yeah, I think this is a really dumb way to do such things.
But everyone listen to Michael.
Nah, you're fine. I had thought that those threads were gone. They just cleaned them. You're good.
Are they
Try
gone?
to thread it onto that. Oh yeah, just fuck my shit up. Is this one dumbass?
I'm gonna see how it feels on this one too. Fucking
It
retard.
feels as if it should.
Moment of truth. Oh no.
Okay, well.
Well. Yeah. Nothing a little thread file can't fix.
Or an aluminum billet aluminum lug.
Yeah, that'll find its way down there.
Well, I probably fucked the threads up on that lug or
I wouldn't
something.
use that again.
It will.
Yeah, we're good. But all of these other ones are not all the way in. Like this one right here.
Oh, Chingao.
Christ. Hold that right there.
No.
Ah! Damn near took your fender off. Alright, that one's in. Hold that there.
Listen here, asshole.
I tried to hit it with the side of the hammer. That one's in. This needs a little work.
God.
There goes all your braking power.
This
That one should be fine by a long ways.
This is not the sort of video we want to put on YouTube.
It's the video YouTube needs.
Damn.
Just do the same thing with your wheel. Yo, are we up to like 9 minutes now or what?
11.
Oh my gosh. It was at 7 earlier and I was like, how did we just record 7 minutes of
This
this?
is the longest I've ever lasted.
And I'm through.
Let me see that bill of goodness. You gonna stick that bitch on there or what?
Nuh-uh.
Don't scratch them up.
I don't think they're gonna fit.
I can almost guarantee you
You're gonna need spacers.
that was the most retarded stud installation that anybody that's ever afforded a pair of welds has ever done.
For real.
I tried to do it other ways.
Yeah, by
Well,
taking
it
the
would've
threads
taken
off the line. God.
10 hours to do it.
We didn't say de-thread them.
Let's ask the viewers. How about y'all stop the video right now?
All
Go
right.
in the comment section and tell me if that was the right way to do such things.
You should have seen him remove them.
Yeah.
I hit him with the hammer. That's what
You hit the car over here.
He was throwing the hammer from the front of the shop.
She's like, oh, it looks like it'll hit it.
No, there's one thing I can do. It's run a hammer.
All right, hand.
You got the fancy
He's got the tool, yes.
12-point bullshit?
Yeah.
What size is it? Like a 21
No, I don't
12
have a
point?
12 point.
I thought you did.
Mm-mm.
I know I had to get a fancy one. I got
It
mine.
was somewhere.
I don't have any big 12 points. Definitely not that one. What's the
Strange.
What? Let's just sing a little ditty. Don't worry
It
about
just
that.
means that it won't come off by itself.
Yeah, that lug nut's gonna save your life when all these others back off.
Yeah. That one right there, you're gonna be thanking me.
Yo, these studs might not hold on though.
For real. It's alright. I don't think you have to be SFI
I don't think your brakes are
certified.
gonna fit though.
Yeah, I can tell you that. There's no way that caliper's gonna clear. You wanna square that deal up or?
I'm guessing all of these are still crooked.
Why?
They're tough to go in.
Drive them in. They'll work themselves out.
You really don't have the socket for this?
I don't think I do.
What size was that?
What? Not that one.
Not that one.
They need to be 12 point.
It's yeah, it must be yeah.
I need a 12 point.
You're gonna round them hogs right off.
Ain't my shit.
Please don't. Those were $120.
God.
Bro.
Bill Gates.
I'll hook you up if you buy the wheels.
Cody, you had these same wheels 8 years ago, and you didn't even work. You did nothing but hang out with us all the time.
Yeah, but I was oil field balling.
You were a landman. That's another thing. Pause the video again. Is being a landman working in the oil field.
You make that oil field money.
I wish I had oil field money.
For real.
If you don't shut the fuck up.
I was
Don't.
the first one to kick them.
No tire kickers, please.
I like that.
Hashtag hella flush.
Hashtag let's drop this.
Can we let this down? Yeah, and see the damage it's gonna cause?
All right.
Let it down as fast as you possibly can.
Oh, he did
I
it.
nearly did. Oh yeah, no, I did. That's all the way down. It sits higher. It looks like about half an inch.
You know what that looks like? A lot of tire rub.
For real. You have to jack this thing up to 6 inches.
That ain't no tire rub.
Camera game.
Not when your fender does this.
That's fender rib.
Alright, let's knock some studs on the other side. I like those wheels way better.
Yeah, those look better on there, dude. Should've just got tires for those. Borrowed them like the shifter.
I don't know if it's just the video, but those look like 22s on the front of the side.
It tends, but I keep them clean.